Navigating the neutrals, mastering gender-neutral pronouns. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into a very relevant and important topic: alternatives to gender-specific pronouns. Yes, you guessed it right. We're exploring the world of gender-neutral pronouns. Buckle up, because this is going to be a fascinating journey. Gender-neutral pronouns, as the name suggests, are pronouns that do not specify a gender. They can be used when the gender of the person referred to is unknown, when the person prefers not to be identified by a gender-specific pronoun, or when it's necessary to refer to a person whose gender is irrelevant in the context. A common example of a gender-neutral pronoun in English is they. Although they is traditionally used as a plural pronoun, it's increasingly being used as a singular pronoun too. It's a way to refer to someone without assigning a gender. For instance, someone left their jacket in the room. I wonder if they'll come back to get it. The singular they has a long history in English, used by writers such as Shakespeare and Jane Austen. Here, they is used to refer to a single person whose gender is either unknown or unimportant. For example, if a student loses their book, they should report it to the library. In this sentence, they and their are being used for a single student, not a group. This usage has become very common and is widely accepted in informal and formal writing. While they is the most commonly used gender-neutral pronoun, there are others that some people prefer to use. These include neopronouns such as z, here, hears, and em, ir. For example, instead of saying, he is a writer, or she is a writer, one might say, Z is a writer. These pronouns may be new and less familiar, but they are important to some people, and using them correctly is a way of showing respect for their identities. Please note that it's always a good practice to ask someone for their preferred pronouns before you start a conversation. This simple gesture can make a significant difference. Aside from they and neopronouns, English also uses one and it as gender-neutral pronouns. However, they're used in more specific contexts. The pronoun one is used as a formal way to talk generally about people. For example, one must always respect others' opinions. The pronoun it is generally used for objects, animals, or non-human entities, but it's best not to use it for people, as it can feel very impersonal and disrespectful. That brings us to the end of our exploration of gender-neutral pronouns in English. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the singular they to the use of one and it, and the increasingly recognized neopronouns. Remember, language evolves with society, and embracing these changes is part of mastering a language. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember to always respect others' pronoun choices. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.